Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the secrets of naturally glowing and beautiful skin. Forget harsh chemicals and complicated routines. Mother Nature has gifted us an abundance of treasures that can nourish, revitalize, and bring out your inner radiance. Join me as we explore 5 incredible natural elements that can unlock your skin's inherent luminosity. Our first wonder is honey. This golden elixir created by busy bees is far more than just a sweet treat. For centuries, honey has been celebrated for its remarkable skin-loving properties. The science of sweetness. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This helps keep your skin hydrated, plump, and supple, preventing that dull, dry look. Nature's gentle healer. It's also packed with antioxidants and possesses antibacterial properties. You can use raw honey as a simple yet effective face mask. Apply a thin layer, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. You can also incorporate a teaspoon of honey into your regular face mask recipes for an extra boost of hydration and healing. Next, let's delve into the soothing embrace of aloe vera. This succulent plant, with its vibrant green leaves, holds a gel that's a true gift for our skin. The cooling touch. Aloe vera gel is renowned for its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. It's a go-to remedy for sunburn, minor cuts, and irritations, helping to calm and heal the skin. How to use. Simply extract the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to your skin. You can also find pure aloe vera gel products, ensuring they are free from added chemicals and fragrances. Our third secret to glowing skin lies in the vibrant world of fruits. Vitamin C powerhouse. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps to brighten the skin, even out skin tone, and boost collagen production for a firmer appearance. Antioxidant-rich berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, which can damage skin cells and lead to premature aging. Gentle exfoliation. Certain fruit enzymes, like those found in papaya and pineapple, can gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and revealing a brighter layer underneath. Now, let's explore the luxurious world of plant-based oils. These natural emollients have been used for centuries to nourish and protect the skin. Deeply nourishing. Oils like olive oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil are rich in fatty acids that help to replenish the skin's natural lipid barrier, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. You can massage a few drops of your chosen oil onto clean, damp skin as a moisturizer. Coconut oil can be used as a makeup remover, while olive oil can be incorporated into homemade body scrubs. Always choose cold-pressed, unrefined oils for maximum benefits. Oatmeal's soothing scrub. Finely ground oatmeal is a gentle can also soothe irritated skin. Saponins help to cleanse, while its anti-inflammatory properties calm redness. Sugar and salt scrubs. Sugar or sea salt can create. However, use them gently and avoid using them on the face, as they can be too abrasive. And there you have it, 5 incredible gifts from nature that can help you achieve that radiant. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating these natural elements into your skincare routine style can difference in the look and feel of your skin. Embrace the power of nature and let your inner beauty shine through.